Welcome to our review of the Adiva Rugs Machine Washable 9x12 area rug, featuring a high-quality non-slip backing that keeps the rug securely in place, preventing slips and falls for kids, pets, and elderly family members. This eco-friendly rug is OEKO-TEX certified, ensuring it is made from safe, environmentally responsible materials. The rug is easy to clean. Simply toss it in the washing machine and air dry for a fresh look every time. With a traditional yet stylish printed vintage design, it adds casual sophistication to any living room, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom. Crafted with advanced technology in Turkey, the power-loomed polyester base offers durability and a textured appearance. Perfect for enhancing your home decor while providing safety and comfort. Experience the blend of elegance, practicality, and quality with Adiva Rugs. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.